Everybody, this is Mark, and I just thought since I was pretty bored, why don't I make like this gun into a baseball shooting gun? And here it is. So we just test it out. Pretty good baseball on here, you love it. Put this back in here. Okay, test number 2. A pretty good one, don't you think? Yeah, I know. It's really sad. You all know what I'm doing. But whatever. And I have a friend to show you guys. Even though barely anybody watches this anyway, so whatever. I call him Mr. Paddle. Pretty beast, isn't it? Well, that's the end of this session. Goodbye.